Welcome back to my channel, guys. As you see from the title and the thumbnail, you know what's going down. We're preparing some breakfast, and today we're making fried dumpling, fried plantain, flash out, that's tin mackerel, fry up saltfish, and this is a perfect weekend breakfast, Caribbean style, Jamaican style. So if you want to see how I prepare this one, just keep on watching now. And to my supporters, appreciate you guys a lot. For those coming on board for the first time, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. So let's get straight into the video, guys. So here's a run through of our fried dumpling dough. We need flour, that's all-purpose flour. We need salt. I love to put a little cornmeal in my fried dumpling, yes. I also use some butter, our baking powder, and you need water to mix to form a dough. So I'll see you then. Just keep for at least 15 minutes. We're going to add enough oil to our deep pot so we can fry our dumpling. And I'm making these in some smaller version. You can make them as small as you want, as big as you want. And we fry these until they're golden brown and float to the top. When your oil heat up, guys, turn the flame down so they don't burn and then inside it's not cooked. Okay, so you want to do this on a medium to low flame. Yes, and this is how I make my fried dumpling. Can make them in whichever style you choose. This is my way of making my fried dumpling. Just keep on watching, guys. And also, guys, drop me a comment below and tell me what you choose best to eat with fried dumpling. As for me, I love my saltfish fry up with ackee and saltfish, yes. But at home, I'm the only person that eat ackee. These people don't know good food, so yeah. And here, as you see, I put my dumpling in and I'm turning them instant. And remember, low flame, guys. We need these to be cooked. are perfectly cooked inside and soft and fluffy. Yes. And we're just going to continue frying until all our dough has completely finished. Then we move on to frying up our fry up. Yes. So just keep on watching, guys. And here I'm frying up some ripe plantain. Yes. And we're just going to fry those until they're golden brown on both sides and remove, place in paper towel while we prepped our season for our saltfish and our tin mackerel. These look perfectly, guys. I love my fried plantain. Quick note, guys, for the saltfish, we're going to boil these like 10 minutes, changing the water interval just to remove most of the salt. We still need some salt in our saltfish. And we have some onion, bell pepper, tomato, add pepper and stuff cut up. And here is our oil heating up. And we're going to add a portion of that in the pot so we can divide this thing in two to fry up our saltfish and a portion to fry up our flash out tin mackerel. Okay, so here I'm just sauteing my seasonings and I'm going to add black pepper. Yes, so just keep on watching, guys. I'll add my saltfish, a little ketchup, and allow that to just simmer down. Seasoning and allow those to saute while we open our flash out. Just keep on watching, guys. It's a long time I haven't eaten tin mackerel. So I saw these the other day in the supermarket and decided to pick up two. And this is just for me and my son because other persons at home doesn't eat tin food. So yes, and this look so yummy, guys. Look at those big chunks of mackerel. Yes, and we're just going to add that to our fry up seasoning. Yes, and just stir that, add black pepper and just allow those to heat up inside, and then we can have breakfast. So if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. Put your bell on, guys. Share with a friend. And at the end of the video, please drop me a comment in the comment section. Tell me which of these two did you prefer. Fried dumpling with tin mackerel, fried dumpling with saltfish. Yes, my flash out ready now, guys. And look at my nice, fluffy, soft fried dumpling. Slow motion on that one. Yes. So here we have come to the end of another video. Remember, guys, drop me in the comment section. Tell me which of these two breakfasts did you preferred. And yes, guys, all plate up. Yes, perfectly portioned breakfast. These were very delicious, guys. Yes, when you haven't ate something in a long time, you know it go. Yes, so you have to go back twice. Yes. So if you are enjoying what you're seeing here, guys, there are plenty more. So in order for you to catch up, please tap the subscribe button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Like the video. Drop me a comment in the comment section if you're a first timer here. Tell me what you preferred with your fried dumpling. And until next time, guys, appreciate each and every one of you. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.